Hi students, welcome back. Do you know where we have stopped the last class? Can you follow the class? Do you have any doubt? If you have any doubt, please comment it. So, in previous class, we were discussing about types of plants. Among that, we have covered epiphytes. Today, we are going to continue types of plants. So, by keeping epiphytes aside, there are mainly 4 types of plants. They are parasitic plants, saprophytic plants, climbers, and creepers. Let me repeat it. 4 types of plants are parasitic plants, saprophytic plants, climbers, and creepers. Now we are going to have a look on parasitic plants. Parasitic plants can be divided into 2. They are, first one is semi-parasite and the second one is total parasite. So the first one is semi-parasite and the second one is total parasite. Now let us see what are semi-parasites. Plants that absorb water and minerals from the host plant and prepare their own food with the help of their leaves are known as semi-parasite. Let me repeat it. Plants that absorb water and minerals from the host plant and prepare their own food with the help of their leaves are known as semi-parasite. Is it clear? Okay, I will explain it. Semi-parasites absorb water and minerals from the host plant. Do you know what is host plant? Host plant means the plant on which they live. So, semi-parasite absorb water and minerals from the host plant. Now, what does they do with this water and minerals? Yes, they use it for preparing their own food with the help of their leaves. They use it for preparing their own food with the help of their leaves. So how can we define semi-parasite? Plants that absorb water and minerals from the host plant and prepare their own food with the help of their leaves are known as semi-parasites. Now, example for semi-parasite is the loranthus that grows on the mango tree. So, the example is loranthus. Now, let me ask you a question. Whether the growth of loranthus on the mango tree is beneficial? The answer is no. The growth of loranthus on the mango tree is not beneficial because loranthus absorb the water and minerals which are required for mango tree. Therefore, there is a competition between loranthus and mango tree for water and minerals. Is it clear, my dear children? So, what are semi-parasites? Plants that absorb water and minerals from the host plant and prepare their own food with the help of their leaves are known as semi-parasites. Example for semi-parasite is loranthus. Now, can I ask you another question? Do you think that semi-parasites depend entirely on the host plant? No. Semi-parasites do not depend entirely on the host plant. They depend host plant only for water and minerals which they use for preparing their own food in their leaves. Is it clear? Now we are moving to the next section. The second type of parasite is total parasite. So let us see what's the definition for total parasite. Plants that absorb food directly from the host plants are known as total parasite. Let me repeat it. Plants that absorb food directly from the host plants are known as total parasite. So, total parasites absorb food directly from the host plant. They do not prepare food for themselves. But in case of semi-parasite, they absorb water and minerals and they prepare their own food. So this is the main difference between semi-parasite and the total parasite. Now the example for total parasite are Cuscuta and Rafflesia. Do you know the fact that Rafflesia is the largest flower in the world? If not, keep it in mind. It can be asked for any quiz. So this is the picture of Rafflesia and this is the largest flower in the world. So what is the definition for total parasite? Yes, you're right. Plants that absorb food directly from the host plant are known as total parasites. Now, let us look what are the difference and similarity between semi-parasite and the total parasite. So, the first difference is that semi-parasite absorb water and minerals from the host plant. But in case of total parasite, they absorb food directly from the host plant. So, the first difference is that semi-parasite absorb water and minerals from the host plant. But in case of total parasite, they absorb food directly from the host plant. The second one is that semi-parasite prepare their own food. But in case of total parasite, they do not prepare their own food, but they absorb food directly from the host plant. And the example for semi-parasite is Loranthus. An example for total parasite is Cuscuta and Rafflesia. Now there is a similarity between semi-parasite and total parasite. Let us see. The first similarity is that both are parasitic plant. So you know that semi-parasite and total parasite comes under the category parasitic plants. So this is the similarity between semi-parasite and the total parasite. The second one is both harm the host plant. So semi-parasite and the total parasite both harms the host plant. So this is the second similarity between semi-parasite and the total parasite. Is it clear, my dear children? Do you have any doubt? Can you follow me? Now we have gone through semi-parasite and the total parasite. Along with that, we have seen what is the similarity and difference between them. Now we are moving to the second type of plant, that is saprophyte. Have you seen the blackish color on the bread which is left in the moist condition? This black powder is called bread mold. Bread mold is an example for saprophyte. So, let us see what's the definition for saprophyte. The plants that grow absorbing nutrients from the decomposed matters are known as saprophytes. Let me repeat it. The plants that grow absorbing nutrients from the decomposed matters are known as saprophytes. Examples are bread mold and monotropa. Now the third one is climbers. Climbers are weak stem plants. They climb on other plants with the support of spring-like parts called dendrils. Some plants have clinging roots for this purpose. Plants like pepper, bitter gourd and snake gourd are the examples. So, climbers are weak stem plants and they have dendrils which help them to climb on other plants. And some plants have clinging root for this purpose. Examples are pepper, bitter gourd, snake gourd, etc. Now the last and final one is the creepers. Creepers are also weak stem plants that grow creeping on the surface. These plants do not possess dendrils or clinging roots, but in case of climbers, they possess dendrils or clinging roots. Examples are strawberry, sweet potato, etc. Now we have completed types of plants. Is the concept clear, my dear children? So, what are four types of plants? Yes, the answer is right. The four types of plants are parasitic plant, saprophytic plant, climbers and creepers. So, now we are going to wind up the section. Thank you.